How to log in into the Amazon A to Z employee account. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you want to get logged into your Amazon's employee account, it is quite simple. First of all, in your Android, open any of your preferred browsers such as Chrome. Once you have opened the Chrome, tap on a new tab and type in Amazon A to Z employee login. Tap on the first link which is provided by Amazon Hub. This is a portal specifically for the login credentials of the employee account. First and foremost, you must get in the credential details, which includes the login detail and the password detail. So, firstly, just provide your Amazon login code or the username you have been provided. Then tap on the login button, which will then open the password section, and you should be good to go. That is up for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.